Hey friends, if you wish to change the default search engine in the Microsoft Edge Chromium browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. Now there's an option on the list on the left hand side called privacy search and services. Now scroll down and scroll down and then scroll down and there's an option called address bar and search. Click on this. So we have the option to change the search engine using this drop down list here. I can change it to Google or I can change it to anything else, but these days I actually like using Bing. It is giving better results than Google. And then you can also add a search box or you can keep the address bar for it. So if you add a search box, whenever you open a new tab, you will see a search box here, okay? But you can also keep the address bar and nothing else. As you can see, it will make some difference here. Let's check. Okay, it opens it on Google search. And then you can manage these search engines in the sense that you can add a search engine of your choice. Like if you know some search engine that is not in this list and you still want to add it here, then you can simply type the URL of the search engine here, and that is how you will add a new one. And as for managing the existing ones, you can also consider deleting them. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.